All right, good to hear. So I do recognize the fact that it is abnormally hot outside, and considering what I'm wearing isn't exactly, the best kind of wear for this kind of climate. But then again, this is supposed to be Tennessee, not Arizona, so it's to be expected. So I'll make this as brief as I can, but this is my job, so I'm supposed to talk. So that being said, if you have any questions, you can ask them at the end, and I'll be more than happy to answer, so that y'all can get back to the AC as soon as you can. Anyways, going to get started. Welcome to the tool shops. These here are the restoration facilities / back shops of the museum, and this is where all of our work gets done, like your previous very building, repair and restoration is included. Now, this particular building was built in 1982, and today is named in honor of Mr. Robert M. Sewell Jr. Now, Mr. Robert Sewell was one of the founders of the museum back in 1961, and then would later serve as our president here from 1978 until he died in 2006. So following 2006, this building was renamed the Sewell Shop. Now, our shop complex is quite large, and there's more to our shop apart from just 2 tracks here, which whatever equipment is on them at any given time. This does change on a pretty frequent basis.
Awesome stuff.
In the shop complex as well, you have one of your offices right there, where you have your paperwork done, kind of boring but important, Right here in the middle, you have your aerobrake shop, which you can tell so on that floor. So that's how you know where you're going there. This room you see to your right, where you saw me come out of, this is your break room. This is where we start our days. In the very right back here where the machines are, there's your parts department, parts facility place. And then all the way in the very back, right back there, kind of cluttered, but you can see just a Cabot family, that is your wheel shop, / your wheel department. I want to touch on just a few pieces here today. So the first is going to be this car right next to me. So this car right here, folks, is number 98, known by its nickname as the Eden Isle. The Eden Isle was built in 1919 by the Pullman Company, originally for the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad. Now, this car is a passenger car, but it's a bit more luxurious, because what this car served as was to serve as basically a means of transportation for the B&O's president, because railroad companies have their own president. So what this car would have done back in the day was it would have transported the B&O's president around the system, basically like his own little private suite on wheels, because I guess he just couldn't sit with the other people. Now, I've never been in this car before, but from what I've heard, it is a very fancy and luxurious car. It has such amenities such as mahogany paneling, brass fixtures, and even the most exclusive amenities. This car is expected to be lifted. At the time, I'm not sure what this will be. It will either be maroon on our purchase, most of our cars have the maroon coloring, or it will be painted in a blue. So the time will either be white, or